Hi, how are you? Welcome to our my channel. Getcha nails did. Getcha nails did is a fun event blogs dedicated to nail polish and nail art. Polished advance. Getcha nails did is presented by a Brock B. A female trades in the accounting industries choose occupations is a full-time babysitter of growing men. The blog boasts more than 1,000 registration members parties due to no debate to the grantic nail polish giveaway. Oh, an industry is of followers, members, and refuse to whose gettings their nails did. Nailing it. Gelta Nails did honors following nail polish bloggers with promotes likes links to their seats. Brock's pets and babies add life to the set without taking away from the block's nails polish folks.